students, in the last previous lecture of Objective of Indian History, we have completed Sufi and Bhakti movement of lecture 4th. Now let's lecture is 5th. In this lecture, we have completed 186 questions with their all total explanation. This topic is Mughal Suri and later we call Mughal period. In this book, it has covered 1800 plus MCQ questions with their detailed explanation. It helped in MPPSC, UPSC and other state examination as well. Now let's talk about question with their detailed explanation. Question number first. The court languages of Mughals were, your option is Arabic, option second is Urdu, third option is Persian, and the D option, the fourth option is Hindi. The correct answer is C, Persian. There was a deep and strong influence of Persian languages and the culture on the Mughal ruler due to their root traces back to the Persia. Thus, Persian continued to remain the official languages to the Mughal court. It also became many male Persian artists, craftsmen, and learned people come to India and settle here during the Mughal periods. Now let's talk about question second. The architectural raw material generally used in Arabic and Akbar period was, your option is marble, bricks, limestone and redstone. The correct answer is the D, like redstone. The architectural raw material generally used in Akbar period was redstone. Redstone was used by early Mughal ruler for the construction of their building, but Jahangir and Shah Jahan later made the white marble and colored stone for the decoration of their building. Now let's talk about question third. Which of the following medieval era ruler mentioned below was highly educated? Your option is Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Ibrahim Lodi and Sher Shah. The correct answer is Sher Shah. Sher Shah Suri was born in Farid, was the founder of Suri Empire in India with the capital in Saram in the modern day in Bihar. An ethical ruler originally from Afghanistan, Sher Shah took control of Mughal Empire in 1540. Now let's talk about question 4. Which of the following Mughal Empire construction Jama Masjid of India? Your option is Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Jama Mosque of Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. He is created for many buildings like Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e-Khas, Shah Mahal, Moti Mosque, Khas Mahal and Nagin Mosque, Jama Masjid, Jama Mosque, Taj Mahal and Red Fort that has been built by them. All this question what I have told to explain in the book with their detailed explanation. Now talk to you how to purchase this book. This book you can directly contact to Indore Takshila, directly contact to WhatsApp, Telegram and YouTube channel as well that mentioned in the description box. This book is available on Amazon also, that link also mentioned in the description box as well. All the best for your exam. Thank you.